Inside this bag is an entire kayak and paddleboard. Let me show you how it works. It's got 4 separate inflation valves, 3 up front, 1 the tail. So once inflated, the Lono forms a unique kayak shape. It's got 2 front high side flared valves, keeps the cockpit high and dry. Front pierces through the water extremely efficiently. And underneath the seat, you got a lot of room for storage. On the front of the hull, we've integrated a keel which runs almost halfway down the underside of the kayak. 1, it's going to paddle more efficiently. 2, it's going to save the bottom from abrasion. The Lono comes with a traditional fin setup, similar to most of our paddleboards. It has 2 small side bites and a larger center fin box. It's incredibly useful for paddling, gives you tracking and stability. The seat's also incredibly unique. It's developed with our drop stitch inflatable core material as well. It integrates with a male-female vinyl slide track, similar to that of marine curtains. The seat simply detaches with G-hooks that can be slid right out of the track. Bingo. You can even use it as a life preserver if you wanted to. The seat is attached to the deck of the Lono with 2 seat supports. On the rear of the seat, we've also included an additional G-clip and webbing for securing the seat upright and also for securing the rocket rack when it's installed. The Lono's deck is also secured to the bottom through 2 seat supports. This provides additional rigidity and structure to the deck for the paddler. What's cool is this chamber here. You can remove it completely, and if you're hanging out in some shallow water or with your friends at a sandbar, you can float it. It'll hold the cooler. It'll actually still hold the rod holder, so you can sit there and have a mobile little bar to hang out and have fun.
The Journey Series sit-on-top fishing kayaks have everything an angler needs for a relaxing day on the water. The hull design provides maximum stability and performance. The Sundolphin Journey is ideal for lakes, rivers, and streams. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Journey will get you to your favorite fishing spot. Available in both 10 and 12-foot models, the Journey offers many features and benefits to enhance your fishing experience, including protective thigh pads for your total convenience. Paddle holder keeps paddles secured to kayak. Adjustable padded seat for your paddling comfort. Swivel rod holder conveniently located and locks fishing rod in place. 2 flush mount holders for when you want multiple fishing rods. Adjustable foot braces to accommodate all paddlers. Storage compartment with shock cord deck rigging for all your extra fishing gear. Removable portable accessory carrier for extra storage. Spacious storage area with shock cord deck rigging gives ample room for your accessories. Easy access compartment for smaller belongings. Retractable carrying handles for ease of transportation. Large open cockpit allows the easiest of entry. Made from durable, dent-resistant, high-density polyethylene that will last for many years and comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind.
Hey guys, Scott Byers here, brand manager for Perception Kayaks. Today, I want to show you a new fishing kayak, the Outlaw 11.5. We're going to walk bow to stern and go over the features of this kayak. Just know this kayak is loaded. On both the bow and the stern of the kayak, we have these unique molded in handles that allow you to both grab from the inside or grab underside if you want to. Next up on the kayak, we do have the traditional bow mesh cover. But what's really nice about this is we do have a nice spot for your paddle to land in. The bow handle also doubles as a way to get that paddle a little more vertical if you're in a standing position. Beneath this bow mesh cover, we do have a scupper that allows you to run wiring for your fish finders, depth finders, whatever you may need. And beneath this on the kayak, we have a molded in scupper that allows you to mount that transducer for your fish finder. Front and center, you'll have a molded solo mount recess that will adapt the Perception solo mount, so you can mount a myriad of fishing accessories to that. Moving back into the cockpit, you'll notice a really large and wide open area. We wanted the kayak to feel very open, very user-friendly, and give you plenty of space to work. Along these channels here, there will be traction pads that come standard. And then alongside the kayak, your side handles are also cracks as well for mounting additional accessories. Another great feature of this kayak is the seating area. We have optimized the seating height so that it's perfect for both moving from a seated to a standing position, as well as from paddling. The seat also removes and moves out of the way into a storage position if you want access to this area. Just quick bungee lashing to collapse the seat, and just behind the seat, there's a slot for the seat to drop into. This opens up the center area, which is compatible with a variety of coolers. Mostly a 35-liter cooler will fit in the tray in the center. Another great feature of this kayak is this multifunctional tray area here on each side. In addition, you have a series of trays here, which are great for just tackle in general. But also as an aftermarket item, Perception is offering our side saddle bags. These quickly lash into the kayak, and then you have access to a quick bag for a bigger, larger Plano boxes or whatever gear you might want inside of there.
The Pescador Pro is a real fishing kayak for real enthusiasts, chock full of the features and performance attributes discerning anglers have come to expect. The versatile hull is fully capable on lakes, rivers, and inland coastal waterways, with broad sidewalls and a straight tracking keel working together to create the perfect balance of maneuverability and stability. The Pescador Pro features a new removable stadium-style seat with 2 seating positions, upright and recline, providing move-on-the-fly height options for paddling and casting. Storage and rigging opportunities are abundant, with a stylish bow tank well with mesh cover, rear tank well, 5-inch stern deck plate, molded-in rod holders, recessed tackle box storage, accessory track system, and even a center console with transducer scupper for rigging fish finder electronics. Comfort and convenience are also plentiful, with comfort carry handles, keeper's foot brace system, skid plate, paddle part, and a coupler. The Pescador Pro is offered in 2 sizes, a 10-foot model and a 12-foot model, and are both available in a variety of stylish colors, with colored bungee and gear track options also available to add an extra pop of color for both style and safety.